Hello friends, it's Gloria Miller with People First Realty Group in your real estate terminology. So we're talking today about as is. Essentially means that if you claim to sell your home as is, essentially it means that you are refusing to make any repairs to the home once it is under contract. Now, as is, it should mean just that. However, it is a very difficult concept because if you're selling your home and it is getting purchased through a lender or as a third-party financing, anything that is required by a lender becomes an obligatory aspect for the seller to fix, such as a roof or a damaged floor or structural. And if it is not fixed, it gives the buyer the right to terminate the contract. So while you can say as is without any repairs or anything when you're selling or purchasing a house, it is very, very difficult to really purchase a home or sell a home as is. But this is Gloria with your real estate terminology. Have a great one, guys.